everybody, I'm Jasmine, and today we will be putting the 2019 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium to the test. Now, people love this car for camping and other outdoor activities, and look at it. You know, this thing is tough enough to go way off-road, and these exterior features aren't window dressing. This car's solid top to bottom. We've got skid plates, rugged suspension, body-to-frame construction, and 9 inches of ground clearance. Plus, the 4Runner is a great family hauler. It's got a roomy cabin and lots of versatile cargo space. The average price for a 2019 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium at CarMax is gonna be about $36,000, depending on features and upgrades. Is it worth it? That's what we're gonna find out. We're mainly going to be focusing on the 4Runner's cargo space, handling, and comfort by, spoiler alert, going camping. So, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, this is my dear friend, Jen.
Hey.
Oh, and this is Molly, mother of 2. Woohoo! Before we load up and talk cargo, let's talk liftgate. The 4Runner comes with this great liftgate power window, which you can operate from the driver's seat or right here with the key. And it's pretty cool, but pretty high. You're not gonna be slinging groceries over the top, but it's handy if you're hauling 2x4s, need a few extra feet to fit everything in. The power liftgate is optional for this 4Runner, but we're rolling old school today, as you're about to see. The liftgate is solid, but heavy. The hydraulics will help. With the second row seats up, you're looking at 47.2 cubic feet of storage, and there are some nice touches back here with cargo tie downs and storage cubbies to keep small stuff from sliding around. It's a little strange that there's no dome light in the cargo area, but there are lights in the liftgate.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, right? So we are gonna drop some seats and get into some serious cargo capacity. So the 4Runner's fold flat seats are not the most intuitive, and they take a little effort to get down. So make sure that the front seats are pulled forward to make room for the rear seats. Then reach into the seat cushion and pull it up and forward with the strap. Then flip the headrest down and carefully release the seat forward. Yeah. It takes a little getting used to, but we have now unleashed 89.7 cubic feet of storage, people. But we need this seat up for our trip, so pretty easy. And now let's see what we can fit in here. I think we gotta start over. Maybe if we're like smarter, not harder about this. Go ahead and put them on top of the sleeping bag like that. We did it! Whew, break hug. Okay, so maybe I didn't need to bring everything. But if I wanted to bring everything, a properly equipped 4Runner can tow up to 5,000 pounds, which is impressive for an SUV its size. And to make it easy, all 2019 4Runners come standard with an integrated towing hitch receiver and wire harness. Okay, so we've discovered that there's plenty enough cargo space for all 3 of us, even with the second row seats up. We also have a standard roof rack that is flexible and tough enough to carry everything. So it's time to hit the trail and see how Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium handles the open road and the call of the wild. Okay, so some thoughts from the driver's seat. The 4Runner's dashboard has kind of a blocky old school feel with some chunky knobs for things like climate control, traction selection. Up overhead, we also have some manual switches. That gives us kind of a cockpit vibe, but there's also some nice luxury touches, like a leather-wrapped steering wheel. The navigation interface is not the most intuitive, but the 8-way power driver's seat is pretty comfy. The ride is smooth. The handling's a little stiff, and a big reason for that is because the 4Runner is built on a truck frame. That makes it more durable, but it also means that it stiffens the ride just a little bit. The 4Runner's V6 gets an EPA estimated 17 miles per gallon on city roads and 21 on the highway. And that's a little low compared to others in its class, like the Jeep Cherokee or the Toyota Highlander. But its 4-liter engine delivers 270 horsepower, which is better than other comparable SUVs. In the not better category, the 4Runner doesn't have any blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, or automatic emergency braking, and those can be found on most of its competition. Let's take this off-road, shall we?
Yes.
Like, we're really connected to the road, even if the terrain keeps changing.
And it has that rugged, built-to-last vibe that I really like.
So we're here and it's time to camp, but before we get comfortable out there, let's talk about what's comfortable in here. Jen, you look pretty comfortable.
Yeah, couldn't be better.
Nice.
3 words, heated front seats.
Nice, cool. Molly?
Oh, it's awesome back here, okay? This is every mother's dream.
Really?
No complaining because there's plenty of leg room. And I love this. No more digging around for French fries that my kids drop. It's just so spacious back here. I love the cup holders.
Yeah.
There's clever storage. There's charging stations.
Yeah.
And this, check it out. There is a wide armrest. You pull it down, additional cup holder. It separates the kids, and the leather just feels awesome.
Nice. Well, as for me, with 38.6 inches of headroom, as you can see, I have plenty of space for me and my adorable hat. All right, let's get camping.
All right.
So, quick recap while we unload. The 4Runner is tough as nails with some serious off-roading capabilities, strong towing capacity, and a large and versatile cargo area. Ride is a little bit stiff, but that goes back to its rugged frame. It doesn't have a lot of driver assist features compared to other SUVs. Gas mileage is meh, and while I personally like the simplicity of the interior, some people feel it lacks style and pizzazz. All right, time to set up camp. What? How long did I talk?
It's always longer than you think.
Who needs a tent when you have this? I mean, I have an outlet for my lamp. I have USB charging ports, these adorable cargo compartments. Hey, Molly, Jen, get in here.
Coming. Oh, wow.
This is great. Come on in.
This is really nice.
Okay, so I've got some drinks ready over there. Ooh, careful. All right, here we go. Cheers to close friends.
And to rear zone climate vents.
And 2 speakers in the cargo doors.
Sure. Cheers. Close it. Close.
Yep, I'm on it.
You know, we can see nature through the windows. It's pretty out there.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Tested. I hope you got some valuable information about the 2019 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium and had a little fun doing it. So one last bit of intel. The 4Runner has had a solid reputation over the years, and this 4Runner gets an above average reliability rating of 4 out of 5 from RepairPal. There's nothing scary about that. To learn more, check out our other CarMax videos. Also, be sure to check out the description below for all the details on available features, pricing, and more. You can shop at CarMax.com, and please share and comment. The more we know, the better we can make these videos. Until next time. Ooh.